Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video in DevOps for Cloud Computing video series. In this video we'll see how to use Git with team services. So I will give you the brief overview of how you use the Visual Studio free team service account to use it with Git repository. In the next videos I'll tell you how to download and install Git. In the further videos I will tell you how to create a local repository into your Git. So without wasting any more time, let's start with this, how to use Git with team services. Before we proceed, see, I am logged onto this Visual Studio console. It's Visual Studio Team Services console. You can create a free account on this. Just type in Google to create a free account, like free account for Visual Studio. Free account. Agile tools, Git, continuous integration for any language and any OS. You just click here, add in your information, and you will be able to create a free account. And when you will log on, make sure you remember your credentials so that you can log in, and you'll see the overview of this dashboard, something like this, exactly like this. So after that, you will see the code in Git is stored in the repositories. Repositories are nothing but they are kind of folders. Okay, so when you are on your dashboard, you will be given an option to create your project. Like I have created my first project, which is my first project. You can name it anything if you want. So when you are inside code, you will see this is my repository. I have made it as a repo 1. This is my repository number 1. If you want to create a new repository, you click on new repository here. Okay, I'm going to select the type as Git. You can select team Visual Studio type, or you can select as Git. Okay, so I will make sure that this is my Git repository. You can name it anything. I'll name it Sir repository 2. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can do it. Select add a .git node as blank for now. Click on create. You will see that your new repository has been created. You will add code to your repository. See, new file. If you want to create a new file here, or you want to upload the files, right? You can browse it for the code. That I have this here, hello world.html, comment, upload, and which branch I want to. Let's say I want to upload this code into the master branch. Click on commit. You'll see the contents of the file. Hello from team services. Okay. So the code that you have uploaded has been uploaded into the master branch under your repo. As a repository 1. I'm using as a repository 1. I just showed you how to create the repository. So you uploaded the code that you committed was committed to the master branch. Now it's a good idea to create a new branch so that when you upload the code or changes into the main repository, it should not be updated directly into the master branch. So I'm gonna create a secondary one. It could be based on master branch. Okay. Create the branch. branch. So now let's say I am if I'll edit it, rename it, delete it, download it, let's say I edit it. So the changes now I will make would be done in the secondary branch and it would not be done in the master branch. If I select it, then the changes would be done in the master branch. So that is the benefit of using the branches. Say I am in the secondary branch, I edit it, hello from team services. And Ashish, if I spell right, comment. See, updated hello world HTML and added Ashish Arora in the body. Okay, I am updating it on the secondary branch, not on the master branch. The comment I added, commit. So the changes that I committed right now are done in the secondary branch, which is secondary branch 1 in the same file that I was using in the master. Okay, so this would be the result if I browse it. Okay, so now after that you have made changes in your secondary branch, it is a necessary item for you to merge these changes into your master branch, because master branch would have the most current copy of your code, and it is good if you upload the latest changes into the master branch. To do that, go to pull request and click here, new pull request. This will create a new pull request to upload your secondary branch file changes onto your master branch. Okay, so this is secondary branch 1 into the master branch. This is a new pull request. Title: updated hello world.html and added Ashish Arora in the body section. Remember, and this is the description. Reviewers, see, there is a team of reviewers who would review this pull request that will be generated to merge the secondary branch into the master branch, so that after they review, the request would be approved. Click on create. Okay, so this is the description when there would be a reviewer request coming in. So like I am the approval for this request, I click on approve. Approved by Ashish Arora. Ashish Arora joined as a reviewer, created by me, because I am doing this everything. So but there would be a different team who would be initiating different requests. Complete, I say complete, I can abandon it. Complete the pull request. It's merged pull request number 2, which says this. Delete secondary branch after merging. So depends upon you if you want to keep the secondary branch for further changes, or you can delete the secondary branch. Let's keep the secondary branch as of now. Complete the merge request. Cherry pick report, we'll discuss this later. Click on it, you'll see the commits. This was the initial thing and we changed it. So this was, if you'll see the current file here, it'll show you side by side difference, right? If you click on it, you'll see that this was the initial file and this is the updated thing that you're seeing. And if you will click on this and this was the initial file. If you go on files under this repository, you'll see hello world.html. This is the final version of the file. This is how you do the